Coopers is a family-owned brewery that has been operating for 160 years. Quite remarkable.
Cooper's survival really has been attributed to the quality beer that we make. We've stayed true to who we are, we've focused on ales, we've also produced many lagers over the time.
We also have our own malting company and about to commence distilling whiskey, so that will make us quite unique. Where we have grown over the last few years is that we've taken on international partners and distribute those products.
That constant desire to be world class in everything we do and what we produce has been important to us. In recent years we've had a major focus on equipment reliability, and that's involved a lot of implementation of systems, bills of materials around parts, maintenance planning. We've had to look for improvements to keep up with demand. When it comes to our stores, we had an opportunity to look at the ways we do things.
To move our store from being a fully expense store to being valued,
Nick looked around at what sort of opportunities there were within Australia to replicate what he'd seen overseas, and that's where Blackwoods came in.
Over the last 4 years, Blackwoods has supplied to Cooper's outsourced stores management program. With that, we've provided 2 full-time site facilitators
who are very passionate about working with Coopers. Those guys take ownership of the situation in terms of the ordering and the actual physical management of the stores.
It's evolved from year 1 where we really focused on consolidation processes, so we looked at consolidating vendors.
Catalogue every inventory item and put that into the accounting system.
Administration processes, cutting 260 invoices down to 100 invoices.
Rationalising the store so that where we had multiple items that were equivalent, we could drop the stock holding and the physical aspects of the store.
And it goes right through now to future growth, where we're looking at working with some of these overseas vendors and creating better continuous improvement processes.
We took a bold step when we embarked on this process, and like many of our bets, it's paid off.
Yeah, I see Blackwoods as an important part of our future.
Good partners who can take this burden off us and let us concentrate on making beer.
Working with Coopers has been fantastic.
Without question, we've seen the benefits.
Want to know more? Ask about Blackwoods Inventory Solutions today.